Good morning. We should do everything. Let's do. I don't know what to do. It might schema. I got nothing to do. I don't know what the fuck I'm supposed to do now. No, so let's fix this up. I'll be back in 1 second. Hey, you see what I did there? Oh, that's amazing. That's amazing. Not December 16. You know what that means? Mission report December 16. Why do you know from 1991? Vlog it's but I'm gonna upload one today, another YouTube video. Keep this vibe going. The inner tune and I'm going crazy. Oh, I got so many videos to edit. And I have no reason to live. But let's edit all of the videos. Yeah, I'm a loser. I'm such a loser.
You're a fucking loser.
What?
You heard me.
Who are you talking about?
You little bitch. You loser.
Are you hearing this?
Your vlog sucks.
That little bitch. We have a narrator? Is this gonna be a thing now?
Deal with it, idiot.
Oh yeah. Very helpful for my vlog. Thank you.
You're welcome, loser.
Alright, we did a photo shoot. Something happened. I think it's this one. Umbrella. Okay. This is a photo equipment. Someplace around here. And it fell down. Look at that. Man. I think this is the most expensive and most destructive photo shoot I ever did. The pictures turned out great. So that was amazing. Amazing. So, okay, this just in. I'm receiving some breaking news.
No one cares.
Do you mind? I'm trying to talk. So, should I finish? We're back to work. Alright. Jullie samkomst. Let's go then. I did not expect that. I'm amazed. Yeah, berørt. It's amazing. It's for the vlog.
You're amazing.
Look at my nose, I'm shaking. Did not expect that. Anyway, gotta go. And we will teleport. And we teleported right here. Is it good? 지금이야는 가포트 jullimut tuissitissa. Nimena tunningamme. No, skal vi gå?
Ja.
Sungertuunana.
Home sweet home.
Home sweet home. Isakkulli itsinukaallerta. Okay, we are back at the crib. I got my plants. Got my plants. Plants. I'm still amazed. I still can't believe it. So the person not being there. This is big. It's amazing.
Yeah.
Lemikko ullaiterpunga eqqarsangikkaluarpunga koinnaaliassalluna and to get a gift like that. I'm blown away. I'm blown away. I saw so to get the job that I wanted. Where you don't feel like it's a job. So it feels like I'm just doing a hobby. I'm still blown away. Before I get to this. 2013 idimmarfimmut qinnuterarnikulluat atoaartorpungunuummun SLET atoareerlunga sproglitteratur og media pinorlunga efter 2 semester 1 år og tallimaankuniarfinillit eksaminittum pererlumit ud af 8 der qarsama uannuusimarpasingita. It's not something for me. I decided I want to quit. Narulluun suna alloriarnissutulliussanersoq sunaana massakkuaguniarniara sunaana piffissaratorniara sumut tullinguuppa taaqquinartoriussuarmi ilinniartoritimma kammassuammaluilaat tennis ikiortayorparpu taanna qanaamingaani tulittuumnutsursuttajorlua taassuma koinera ilinniartuni migaatеqалерaamat sissuullerpaallunut saaffingivaanga Juaansi, you need to do this. You need to apply. You just have to. Da jobsamtalerpunga sivittungintoqaringammat tinguvaanga ullorlutaanna kammiinerparpaasimilaat angoqaima sianerpo ammatingusaasimalluni. Det var 2014. 2 år senere maakillippunga. Og jeg blev årets ilinniartutialuk 2016. I've been through a lot of failures. This is just a little victory. I've been through a lot. I've been through a lot of fail. I failed hard. So dumperpo. I felt worthless. But it was necessary. Being out before I can have a little bit of success. Now, it's not just me. But it's not just me. To get this little victory. And he kind of saved me from being I could have been homeless. Fabrikken med mig sydisøgner som jeg satte op på i maden bisnær for mærkland. Nogle andre bare så det er inde. Andaj du er redden der på så you can't put a price on that. Der er du så der går på sydatletik. Bisauqataan bare where it doesn't feel like a job. It's just I can ringe dem med sydisøgner op if I could. 2016 jeg så it's been a very productive year. Jeg ser allaqsippa 2015 but allaqtingira ukiorman until this year. My YouTube channel 2008 asuki ukiorparpassuattornikuungilaa attaukiorman allaqteqqippa. That's where I got serious. 2016 it's been a great year. It's been a fantastic year. I'm looking forward to 2017 It's going to be even better. So this, I'm not satisfied. It only made me hungrier. This time, we're going to work even harder. We're going to smile even wider. And we're going to motivate and inspire like no one ever did. I can take you with me on this journey that is going to be 2017. And thank you for watching this vlog. Video